I got sunshine on the cloud. But that's not why I'm here to talk to you. I do have sunshine today, guys. We've got sunshine. It's a kind of a cloudy day. The sun's kind of coming out. But I'm not here to talk to you about the sunshine or the clouds. I didn't go to school to be a meteorologist. Heck, I didn't go to school to sell RVs, but here we are, and it's working well. It's going great, guys. Today, I want to show you the 2024 Coachmen Leprechaun 260DS. So before we dive into this video, go ahead, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on post notifications so you can get an update every time we post something really cool like this. So without further ado, let's check out this Leprechaun 260DS. Alright guys, so I'm standing down on the entry door side of the coach now. First thing I want to point out is the diamond shield here. So you do have diamond shield on the front. It's going to protect you from bugs eating away at that stuff and also rock chips. So it's going to protect your paint, protect the chrome, keep it looking nice. Next, we're going to show you the side view cameras that you have on this Leprechaun. I love having side view cameras on a Class C. It's great for inexperienced and experienced drivers, both the same. It's a great feature to have. It makes you very, very comfortable and easy to drive. Also, I want to point out the solid wheels on this. So these aren't hubcaps. These are actually solid metal wheels. So because of that, you're not going to have that hubcap fly off, you know, every 8,000 miles or something like that. I feel like all the time you guys take these long trips, the hubcap flies off and then we got to order one, which they're not expensive, it's just a pain in the butt. This looks really good. It looks sleek. I like the design. They're kind of an aggressive look too. Also, this is the full body paint version of the Leprechaun. We added all the options on this, so it's got the upgraded suspension and the steering stabilizer as well as the full body paint. This is a beautiful. It's a beautiful color. You can see it looks really nice, especially in this light as well. But yeah, guys, I really like this. So I want to pan around a little bit. I'm going to get you in the shade so you can check out some of the outdoor features that this Coachmen has. Alright guys, so we've scooted back a little bit. Now you're underneath the awning. It's not out quite all the way right now, but you can tell it's a very good size awning. Full length as well. Beautiful color as well. It's light underneath here. It feels really good. Also, you have a full string of LED lights that are underneath. I don't have them on right now, but full string of LED lights. And in this first compartment, this is a great thing. You've got your outdoor TV and the outdoor soundbar. So some Class Cs will put outdoor speakers, which do pretty well. It kind of just depends on the person. I do like that this is a soundbar here, so you don't have, like, the outside's more streamlined look to me. It doesn't have the speakers, which, again, they're not a bad look, but with them being tucked away here, you don't have any speakers out there that can get messed up by the rain. I know they're marine grade speakers and stuff, but you know, the more you can keep your electronics inside, the better. So you're just going to have storage in this compartment in front of that. Always great to have storage. And then we're going to flip around to the back. I want to show you something really cool that the back of this Coachmen has. Alright guys, so we're still on the entry door side here. As I mentioned, it does have the suspension upgrade. It's called CRV Super Springs Ride if you want to do some checking on it. But I love the suspension upgrade that comes from the Coachmen because it just rides a lot better than the competitors. So with other Class Cs that don't have that upgrade, you can add stuff aftermarket, but I always like to tell you, you know, save your cash, buy something that already has what you want, that already has the things that are going to make a difference. So the other thing that I love about this exterior is going to be this compartment here. So you can order this compartment as a storage compartment or the way that I prefer it, with the table here. So this table is great for cooking. It's got two little legs here that you can put underneath for extra support. But it's, I mean, you get good surface area here, guys. So really not bad at all. I would prefer to have the table. Let us know what you think in the comments. But yeah, this is a nice thing to have. And of course, you've got your propane quick connect here, so you can put your Blackstone or whatever you see fit right here and prepare all your food while you're tailgating. So I love that. We're going to swing around to, actually, I really want to show you the inside. I really can't wait for that. So let's check out the inside. Okay, I'm just joking. We're not going to go inside quite yet. I do want to show you this storage compartment here. So you can see, this is the easiest to access when your slide's in. When it's not, you can still make it work. So huge storage here. I just couldn't pass this up. I mean, this is absolutely massive, guys. You can put, you know, your hoses, your chairs. I mean, you could put like a regular, because you've got all the way to the top up here. I mean, you could even put one of those like charcoal pits in here with no problem whatsoever. Also, this is lit, so you're going to have no problem accessing this stuff at night when you pull up to the campsite really late. You're going to be able to get there just fine. And then all along the side of here, we have a couple other storage compartments, and then your generator and stuff is going to be on that side. But guys, this is awesome. And also, there's a door in the back that you can access from that way. Very nice on the storage. So now, we're going to go inside. Alright guys, so inside of the Leprechaun now, this is our entry door, so we came in right here. Kind of in the living space. I guess I'll flip around and show you the living space in a minute. Right now, we'll focus on the kitchen. So I really, really love the kitchen that's in this Leprechaun. You've got good countertop space here. Or decent countertop space, I should say. Right now, it doesn't look like too much, but you do have sink covers that add to that and make it all the better. Then you've got this leaf that flips up here. And guys, this is solid surface countertops. I don't know if it's Corian or what this is, but it's definitely solid surface. Very nice, very pretty, and very sturdy as well. Also, I love all the lights in here. I love like the accented lights that you have underneath. You even have lights on the stovetop as well. It just all looks really, really nice. So you do have a traditional oven on this, a Magic Chef, and then you actually do have your convection microwave as well. So you can do it whatever way your little heart desires. To this side, we're going to have our fridge and freezer. This is like my favorite fridge and freezer. So of course it's 12-volt compressor driven, and also you can access from either side. So I can grab my ice cream no matter where I'm standing. That's fantastic. That is exactly what I need. So to my right, we're going to have our control station here. You're going to have a gas, electric, hot water heater on this. The tanks are going to be heated as well. And then right now we've actually got our generator going as well. So in the entry door, or I guess whenever I should say, when you walk into the entry door, right to your left, you've got storage here, great cubby storage. And then back this side, you're going to have some more really closet storage, what this is. Both these cabinets connect here and pretty good size. Right now we've got some cushions in there. This does have the WineGuard Gateway 360 already installed. So all you got to do is hook it up with your cell provider and you're ready to rock. And then behind me, we have more storage here as well. So a lot of storage in this little pantry kind of hallway area. But I do want to show you as well. Oops, I forgot about storage here as well. Wow, and these are all the pull-out drawers too, and those are full size. Yeah, that's a nice thing to have. And then of course you have the storage here as well. And actually, there's even storage, pantry storage to the left of the fridge, and then there's underneath storage as well. I mean, man, like I said, it's not the biggest countertop space ever. It's not bad, but the amount of cabinet space you have is fantastic in this. So I want to flip around and show you the living area. I think this is where this thing really, really sets it apart. Alright guys, so we're in the living room area now. We basically just flip the camera. This is something that I love, and almost every Coachmen that we have has, not all of them, almost everyone, or at least the Leprechauns. It's got this J lounge here, so you can pull this. I think my cushion is back in that cabinet where I just showed you, but you pull it out and then you've got a U-shaped dinette, or if not, you keep that in and you've got all this floor space here. So whenever you take this table out, it's just like a big sectional couch. It's very, very comfortable. And to my right, you're going to have your recliners. So these are electric, massage, and heated. So checks all three boxes there, and they're a perfect viewing angle from your TV. And this is a Hisense smart TV, very clear picture. Right now it's trying to get us to decide our language, but we haven't quite figured out, what language we want to speak today. I'm just joking. But the cabinets to my right, I love this feature. It's only these three cabinets, but the inside of them are lit, so it's a really pretty aesthetic. It looks very nice. Yeah, I like it a lot. Behind me, we're going to have our bunk area here. So you saw the TV, but your bunk area here, so that will just pull over. It's already got the net attached, so it's going to help keep whoever's sleeping up here from rolling out. Or if you say, okay, well, it's only ever going to just be the two of us sleeping in the back, then what you'll do is you can store stuff up here and then have the net to keep stuff from falling out. And then you have a collapsible ladder. This is something that I think is very underrated, because in most Class C's, you're going to have just like the stationary ladder, and it takes up a pretty good bit of space. This collapsible ladder, I mean, it really doesn't take much space at all. It's very lightweight, and again, it's very easy to store. Also, you're going to have cabinets to the left here, and these are both deep cabinets too. One solid opening here, so that's very nice. And then you got tons of natural light in this coach. We've got all the windows pulled down right now, but tons of natural lights all throughout this coach because we've got a bunch of big windows. And even the window up in the front adds to that as well. So if you can see in the cab area here, you're going to have your big radio that's going to show like navigation. You can do CarPlay or Android Auto. And then above you, I really love this. This is something that is in a lot of the nicer Class A's, where we have two screens, one for radio, nav, and then one for your cameras. I love it because I can see my directions, and if I'm towing a vehicle behind, I can see my Jeep behind me, and I can see the sides whenever I hit the thing without ever taking the GPS off the screen. So I've got GPS here, and then backup camera and side view cameras there. That's like one of my favorite features on the Leprechauns. So I really, really like that. And also, both the front chairs will swivel. So you've got tons of seating. I mean, this is a smaller coach for, or I guess it's probably a mid-size Class C, but tons and tons of seating area. It's perfect for entertaining. So I want to flip around, show you the bedroom area, and then I give you a peek of the bathroom as well. All right, guys, so we're in the bedroom area now. I'm standing on a raised section here, so it raises up 2 times. So from the living room, raises up to the bed, and then halfway through the bed, almost a little past halfway, it raises up again. That's because you have your big storage compartment underneath. You do have a second AC that's in this Coachmen. So it is still 30 amp. With the generator, you can run both these ACs. With 30 amp, you can run both ACs, and you just kind of have to cut out other certain things. But the 2 ACs is great because the ducts from the first AC, which is a 15K, go all the way back through here. So you've got 2 ducts in the bedroom. Is there one above me? No, 2 ducts in the bedroom. Not ducts, ducts in the bedroom. And then the non-ducted 13.5 here. So you're never really going to have a problem cooling this thing with those ACs. So your bed, this is a slide out here if you can't tell. I will say my only downside to this bedroom is just the one light here. This does provide pretty good light, but I always love whenever there are windows in the slide itself, just because it just adds a little more extra light. But I can get over that. So you do have overhead storage over the bed, but then with the bed, what I love about the fold bed is it's a 60 by 80, so it's a full-size queen. So you can use regular sheets, so you don't have to get any short RV queen sheets or anything like that. So I do like that a lot. And then to my right here, you have a backer here, so you're already pre-wired for a TV. So if you want to put a second TV in the bedroom, go for it. To my right is the bathroom. I want to show you that now. It's not bad. All right, guys, so inside the bathroom now, you can tell it is a little cramped. When I'm saying this way, it's not very roomy. This way, like if you're washing your hands or, doing your makeup or something like that, it's not bad. Better room there. This is something that I find really interesting, and I'm guessing it's just for, I mean, when your wife's doing her makeup or I guess, that's kind of what I'm thinking. So this big thing pulls out almost like extra countertop space, but it's in the bathroom. It's very interesting. It's got to be just for like preparation, I guess, or maybe if you folded towels in here. I'm not totally sure, but I don't mind it because it tucks in right away and no harm, no foul. So toilet here with the pedal flush. It is a porcelain toilet, so I like that. Of course, the seat's plastic, but the toilet itself is porcelain, so very comfortable fit there. You're going to have your storage here for your towels or, maybe even soaps and stuff like that. You've got the vent above me with the 12-volt fan, so that's great to help air this thing out. Since it is a little bit smaller, that can make it where the mirror's not going to get as fogged up if you have that open. So in the shower itself, it's not the roomiest shower I've ever seen. It is pretty tight. Now, like I mentioned, you have tons of living space in this. It's great for entertaining, so I think you give up some of that in the bathroom. Like I said, where you actually sit on the toilet, you have okay legroom. That's actually not that bad. This is a little tight. Let me close the door and see. Yeah, it's better with the door closed, but still, it definitely is a little tight in here. That's something I can get past because of all the room there. I don't really spend that much time taking long showers when I camp. I spend most of my time hanging out with people outside, or if it's rainy, hanging out in that living area up front. So not too bad. Like I said, it is tight, but it's got some pluses in here too. Also you have 2 hanging areas here for towels. I love whenever they do that for me, so I don't have to drill holes in a brand new camper. I really like that. So I want to flip around in the front, guys, and wrap this thing up. This is a cool coach. Alright guys, so this is the Coachmen Leprechaun 260DS. I really hope you liked it. I think this is a really cool floor plan. If you watch any of our other videos, I really kind of like this mid-size Class C with a lot of seating area. I think it works really, really well. If you want any info on pricing or current availability, check the link below. We're going to have pictures and descriptions of all our inventory with current pricing. Also, if you have any questions, please give us a call. Ask for me. My name's Cam. I'd love to help you. And guys, as always, enjoy the journey. Hey there, thanks for watching this video. So we want to remind you again to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications so we can keep you updated with the best that the RV industry has to offer. If you want to stick around and watch some more videos, we've got a link for 2 videos here. So we'd love for you to stay and look at that. And if there's anything else that you want us to do videos on, leave comments. Thanks guys, enjoy the journey.